Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys my adorable earrings that I got because I won something from Glamily. So I have these beautiful little butterflies they come with different backs, so I could do just the butterfly if I wanted, or I could do the butterfly with the little pearls hanging. Aren't they cute? So I have those, and so they come in these pretty boxes, and they are made by this company called Candy and Tea, and they are handmade. So there's that, and then I also got these super cute cherries. Probably won't be wearing these to work just because they are out there, but I freaking love them. Like, I think they'll be so cute, like just with like a statement outfit. Let's see, I'll show you. So cute. Oh my gosh, I freaking love them. So there's those. It's a peach set, and they're little peaches with little leaves. They're so adorable. Okay, so these are the peach earrings, and they are so adorable. Look at that. So cute. This is how they look on, and I have actually worn these already. I fell in love with them the second I saw them. So they are beyond adorable. Let's see, the other set I got are these little hearts, and I think I got these hearts before. So that's fine. I have someone that I can give these to. But look at how cute they are. And if I didn't get these hearts before, then of course I'm going to keep them. But these are adorable. They have little pearls and little pink rhinestones. So very cute. The other thing that I got are these little makeup sponges. I haven't even pulled it out yet to see, and they come in this really cute little like bottle, but they feel really soft. They don't smell weird or chemically or anything like that. I think I just got makeup on it. Good job, Brandy. But these are adorable. I can't wait to use them. I love sponges. They help blend everything out, and these are from Sweet Kiss. So cute. I love the color. And they're so soft as well. And the note says, "Thank you so much for all your support and your contribution to our community. Glamily is a space to get inspired and glam up your own kind of beauty. With Glamily, you will have the chance to apply for thousands of free products from leading global beauty, fashion, and lifestyle brands. All you need to do to begin is to share your own story, inspirations, and genuine impressions of products." Which you guys know if you follow me over on Instagram, I do that all the time. So we try our best to bring you curated gifts with the highest quality possible from brands across the world. We would love to hear from you. Let us know your thoughts by adding Glamily Official and tagging Glamily Review. Let's build a great community together. So if you are not part of Glamily, I highly suggest you get involved in Glamily. You don't do much of anything except tag them in your review videos or tag them in your posts, in your video posts. So I really feel like it's a good community to be a part of. They're very supportive, and it's just easy. Like, it's nothing, you don't have to do anything hard to like be included in it. So that's really neat, and I like it a lot. Like I said, if you have not done it yet, I definitely highly suggest getting involved in Glamily. It is easy, and it is adorable, and I have a lot of fun with it. So anyways, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.